Hey folks, Adam here. Very excited to show off my brand new YOSUDA rowing machine. Super easy to put together. We'll show you just a couple seconds of that at the end of the video. A really fantastic product. YOSUDA is making some of the best rowing machines, bikes, and things of the sort that I've ever seen in my life. And frankly, this is great for the back, great for posture. If you've ever done rowing, you know how quickly this can change the form and strength of your body. Now, one of the things that I really like about YOSUDA over the others, not only the easy assembly, but the drastic difference in the low to heavy intensity. Come over here for a second, I'll ask my camera to see. We're gonna go ahead and put this on 1. Now when I'm on 1, it's a really smooth and speedy movement. But I change this to 8, and it's gonna be like I'm rowing through mud. It is some significant muscular workout, and you're gonna get a much different workout with each one. Now, something else that's also great about this, it's got your display where you can put your iPad, or you can put your phone right here, or you can watch a movie while working out, which is gonna be a real difference. Also, we can do time, we can do distance, we can do calories count. This is a great little computer on board, and it comes with batteries. For me, I like to do about 10 minutes of rowing on any given day to really loosen my back up, because sitting at the computer is a real issue, because you're hunched over the computer all day. You're gonna wanna really get a workout with your YOSUDA rowing machine. What's the advantages of rowing? Okay, now look at this. Right now, I'm doing triceps. But if I change up my stature and my stance, I'm gonna do biceps. Now, if I wanna change up, I can also do abs. Ugh. I'm gonna turn that resistance down a little bit. I can do abs. You can do core. There's so many things that you can do with your YOSUDA rowing machine. You're absolutely going to love this. There's really a ton of exercises. It's good for cardio. I'm getting winded just talking through this. And it's great for, you can do your obliques, you can do your back, you can do your core, you can do your, right back here, your triceps, your biceps. You can get a lot of work done with just one machine. This is a total body workout. So if you're looking for a great quality company, YOSUDA is the choice for me. Now, it looks stylish, it looks sophisticated, stores away easily, and yeah, just a great machine. So I'm gonna ask our camera person to go ahead and get some up close footage right now, because a lot of people who are watching this are going, hey, I'm really considering getting this. Give me all the up close footage. I wanna see everything about it. I wanna see how it works and get a real workout from it. Absolutely beautiful, high quality, designed darn near perfectly. And let me show you one more thing. If you haven't had enough, you can actually get, essentially, a little bicep workout as well. There's a lot of things that you can do with YOSUDA. An absolutely fantastic product. Go ahead, pick yours up. You will not be disappointed. And yeah, stick around, because I'm just gonna show you just a clip of the setup of this fantastic product. All right, folks, thanks again for watching. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations, where we only show you the best of the best, where we only show you products we own, we love, and we think you're gonna love. My buddy Watson, who's my partner on this channel, he's a professional marathoner, a canoe marathoner. He loves rowing, and we both love YOSUDA. All right. Thanks again for joining us, and stick around where I show you some of the setup. All right, folks, as a bonus, I'm just putting this together. It's really not hard to put together. You've got 2 bolts that put on the feet, 2 bolts that put on this front stabilizer bar, and then this just slides on and locks up here. The last step I have for installation is putting this at the end, and you're good to go. A couple batteries in the machine, and this thing is going to be running smoothly. So a real bonus to YOSUDA is their stuff is always relatively simple to put together, one person, 10 minutes, you're good to go. Some of these products take a while. It's 1,000 parts. These are kind of already put together, just a couple bolts and you're good to go.